Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Integrating this linear expression is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this integral together right now. You got this! First, we identify our inner function as 2x plus 1. Let's set u equal to this expression so we can simplify the entire integral using the standard substitution method today. Next, we find the derivative of u, which gives us du equals 2dx. This means dx is just du divided by 2. We must substitute this back into our original problem. Now we integrate u to the 8th power. This gives us u to the 9th over 18. Option A is our final winner. Well done! Scan now. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps to ensure your math is always perfect.